Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. When we were looking to replace the iPad case for our son, we wanted something that was going to be durable and not overly bulky. So we went with this Speck case for the iPad Pro. I like that it has a cover because a lot of the kids' cases don't come with covers. They just want you to use a screen protector, but I feel like it's extra safe with this cover. And it's nice and hard and durable, so I don't feel like it's going to break. I also like that you can easily wipe this material down if it gets smudges on it. It is for our son and he often has dirty hands, so it is great for easy cleanup. It does have the suede lining on the interior, which is great for when he's wanting to watch his favorite YouTube or Amazon videos. And so it props up nicely and it doesn't slip. And I also like that it automatically turns it off. If he shuts it, it's not going to keep running. It's very thin, so it fits into a bag nicely. If we're on the go, we don't have any bulky things on the edges that are gonna take up a bunch of extra room. So overall, this has been a great case. We've had it for a few months now, and we've had not a single issue with it. I really recommend it. And that's my point of view.